Today is Tuesday, February 24th, and we are spraying heavily once again. Some remnants, and take a look at this. Just watched the plane put these down a little while ago when I was on my way to Kmart, and that's special. Anyway, just documenting it. Another day, Tucson, Arizona. Chemical spraying. Nobody seems to really know, or maybe they don't care. Who knows? Couple 810s in the sky, and once again, we have got heavy spraying over Tucson, Arizona. It's like they're blatant. They don't even care. You see it? Look how obvious this is here. Great, middle of the day. They've been doing this all day. A lot of it's been kind of like a little ways away from the city, and then it floats over the city, but this is pretty blatant, right? That's directly over Davis Monthan Air Force Base there. And comes up and over my head. That's special. Documented again. Today, February the 24th. One more day of heavy chemtrail spraying. Here we go, there's an active one right now. Looks like it. Let's see. No, guess not. He's gone. Done. This is just beautiful here. That's nice. Huh? Beautiful. Okay, now I'm going to show you what is directly north of me. Okay, look at that. Isn't that special? Up in the foothills of Tucson right there. Look what they got for you. They didn't forget about you guys over there. No, 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 they didn't. There's over the foothills, and then here's Mount Lemmon. Kind of clear right now. A few up there. Yeah, a few trailing off in the distance, and then there's heavy duty ones there. Well, thank you. One more chemtrail report. Real News Tucson. Just for you, folks. Just for you. Get your own batch. Yeah, you should be scared. I fucking am. Look at that, isn't that special? Coming right down my fucking head. Well, I'm going inside.